Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Subcommittee on NH suggests exemption of toll charges on 2 and 3 wheelers. Exemption of LMVs also proposed. Tourism Minister says casinos operating without valid documents given ultimatum of 3 months to get all clearances. Casinos to operate in River Mandovi illegally till then. CS says expenses of IGP's car caught in an accident will be recovered from IGP. Silences speculations about police paying the bill. Pilayan Citizens Forum points out at flaws in RP 2021 of Pedne and Kankon, alleges backdoor entry for hotel lobby under the guise of ecotourism. In sports, top run scorer in Ranji history Amol Muzumdar to participate in GPL. Tickets to cost spectators rupees 100 and 500 for a match day. And second day of 35th state level mini secondary and higher school athletic meet evokes energetic performances from the youngsters at Fatodda. And now the news in detail. Subcommittee of NH has suggested that 2-wheelers and 3-wheelers along with light motor vehicles be exempted from the toll. The subcommittee was constituted under House Committee to look into the aspect of toll. The committee had its meeting on Tuesday.
Subcommittee on National Highway held its meeting on the toll charges issue. CM Digambar Kamath has informed that the government has already proposed exemption of 2 and 3-wheelers from the toll charges.
Exempted from toll. 2-wheelers and 3-wheelers. So only question remains is of 4-wheelers. So now there was a consensus in the House Committee meeting that we should take up with the Ministry that light motor vehicles registered in the state of Goa should be exempt from toll. गाड़ी वाले कार साइड तांचे सगळे आशिल्ले इंजिनियर्स हाऊस कमिटीचे मुखार सगळे आशिल्ले तांणी डिटेल्स नाही वी हॅव सजेस्टेड द कमिटी सजेस्टेड दिस नो दैट इज एज पर दैट या सर
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath held a press conference on Tuesday evening. He said that the subcommittee has proposed exemption of light motor vehicles from the toll charges.
No, he said this report we have to basically submit to the speaker. After that we will take it up with the ministry if required. He said a delegation of all the party members, leader of all these political parties, we can go to Delhi, take it up with this National Highway Authority and also the Minister for Surface Transport.
A senior reporter Rakesh Kanolkar with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Port Ministry has given a 3 months deadline to casinos to get legalized. Ports Minister has said that his department will act against the casinos if they fail to get all permissions in the mentioned time. Harankar has also supported the proposal of a golf course.
Some of the casinos docked in River Mandovi are under criticism as they don't have necessary clearances. Ports Department has given time of 3 months to get all the clearances. Tourism Minister has said that they will act if casinos fail to get the licenses.
Shipping license, we had given some time to them. 1-2 काय 3 महिने. त्या 2 महिन्याचा 3 महिने मागला. समजलं की नाही म्हणतात ते. नाही ठीक समज त्यात संपला टाइम झाला काय वी हॅव टू टेक हे सारखे कॉग्निजेबल ॲक्शन. होम डिपार्टमेंटाक बरयला. जाता 15-20 दीस. That is already written by captain. आणि ना जरा त्यांची ट्रेड लायसन्स झाला and the time we have to do.
Tourism Minister Neelkanth Halankar has supported the proposed golf course at Pedne. He has said that it will be commissioned by the interested party at their expense.
High class tourist आहे त्याला golf course पहिली जा त्याच्या खातीर impression of interest आम्ही मागले नाही पेपरात दिला सो येना टेंटेटिव्हली पेडण्या ते साठी आम्ही घेतलं आणि आमका फायनल झाला.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastava has clarified that all the expenses of the controversial IGP's car will be borne by KD Singh. KD Singh's son had met with an accident in his father's official car at Vasco last year. Police were planning to bear the expenses.
The issue of IGP's car, which met with an accident last year, was in controversy from last year. Chief Secretary informed that all the expense of the car will be borne by former IGP KD Singh. IGP's son had hit the car on 2 electric poles at Vasco. Police were planning to pay the expenses. Now, CS has clarified government's stand. Government further informed on programs planned for Goa Liberation Day celebration.
Government has decided to constitute a Golden Jubilee Celebrations Committee. This committee subsequently will decide what should be the programs to be organized during this Golden Jubilee year. On the eve of Independence Day, we have decided to have a Mashal Yatra in the capital city of Panji. We have involved the college students, the school students, and also the freedom fighters to participate in these Mashal Yatras.
A reporter in Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvikar.
It's time now for a short break. We'll be right back.